Welcome to VoroMotors. Today we'll be showing you how to replace the tires on the Wolf King GTR. For these tasks, you'll need a 4 and 5mm hex key, 22mm socket wrench, and an air pump. Using a 5mm hex key, remove the 2 screws and washers securing the brake caliper to the swing arm. Place the caliper on the deck and out of the way. Next, remove the 2 rubber covers for the motor nuts from both sides of the wheel. Using a 22mm socket wrench, loosen and remove the motor nuts that secure the wheel in place. After you remove the nuts, make sure to remove the motor hook spacers from both sides. There will be 4 in total. Once the wheel is free, use a 4mm hex key to remove the 6 short screws securing the brake rotor in place. Slide the rotor off the axle and set aside. With a 4mm hex key, remove the 6 long screws securing the motor and rim together. Each screw has a metal washer, so make sure to remove all the pieces. Next, separate the tire and motor by pushing the motor out through the back of the rim. Now you can install the new tire. On the new tire, locate the air valve and motor port. Align the screw holes with the motor and press the motor through. With the new tire in place, use a 4mm hex key to install the 6 long screws with washers. This will hold the motor and rim together. Next, reinstall the brake rotor. Using a 4mm hex key, tighten the 6 short screws to secure to the motor. Place a motor hook spacer on either side of the tire, then slide the wheel under the swing arms, pressing firmly. Place the last 2 motor hook spacers on the outside of the swing arms, ensuring the hook is secured in place. Secure the nut onto the wheel and repeat the process on the other side. Using a wrench, tighten the nuts firmly. Now reinstall the 2 brake caliper screws with your 5mm hex key. Make sure that the brake caliper is properly aligned on the rotor. With everything installed and the brake working properly, inflate the tire to 45 psi. Lastly, put the rubber covers on the wheel nuts, spin check, and you're ready to ride. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer support team at VoroMotors.com. Have any tutorials you'd like to see? Make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Until then, safe riding.